So, y'all, after my husband reminded me this morning before he left for work to make sure that I videotape what I'm making today, I forgot to turn on the camera. And I'm all into it now. I'm like elbows deep into this sweet potato stew, which is going to be delicious. It has all kinds of Indian spices in it, and oh my goodness, I just don't know what to tell you. But anyway, so let me do this. I'm going to show you all what I've used in it and just give you a summary of what I've done and then show you where I am in terms of where the stew is. So I'll be right back. So these are some of the spices that I've used in here. Like I said, there are a lot of Indian spices, very aromatic. There are some cinnamon. I don't know what this onion powder is doing. I didn't use that. Coconut oil, some salt. Of course, I used a little bit of nutmeg. The recipe did not call for the cinnamon and nutmeg, but I used those because I know that those are used a lot in Indian cuisine, and I wanted to add another level of flavor into the stew. I also use salt. This is the salt back here. Not that you need to see that, but I kicked it up with a little bit of chipotle chili pepper. I had also some ancho chili, ground ancho chili pepper, but I like the flavor of the chipotle better, so I use that. I taste them both. There's some cumin. As you can see, I need some more cumin. This right here is turmeric and coriander. So I used both of those. I have the rice cooking here. I have the basmati brown rice in this pot right here. And what I did was I diced some onion, some sweet onion, and I minced some garlic and some ginger as well. I sauteed that in a little bit of coconut oil. And then I added the spices so that those could bloom. Then I added the sweet potatoes so that those could get coated with the spices. Then I added some veggie stock and some lentils. And this is what it looks like so far. I have to bring this to a boil and then let that cook for about 30 minutes or so until the potatoes are soft. Then I'm going to add some mustard greens. Here they are over here. Just letting those, gonna clean those for a little bit. Sorry, that means my rice is done. So I'm going to, but it's still a lot of liquid in it, so I'm gonna let it cook a little bit longer. Maybe 5 minutes more. Okay. And that's it. There's nothing else in the stew, I don't think. The greens, the lentils, sweet potatoes. I'm making rice. What I plan on doing, I'm not putting the rice in the stew, because what I found in the past is that the rice will soak up the liquid. Oh, coconut. Coconut milk. How can I forget the coconut milk? Once it is toward the end, I'm going to add a couple of cans of the coconut milk in there as well. I'm expecting this to be really, really tasty. I don't do a lot of Indian cuisine simply because I'm, not really used to the flavors, but I know they do a lot of vegetarian/vegan type of dishes, and I really want to make, and they're healthy, so I really want to like them, so that's my conundrum. But, okay, so I'm back. So I'm going to finish it up, and then I'll let you see what it looks like when it's done, but that's where I am so far. Sorry I didn't show you the whole process. I got to get used to this filming thing. And as you can see, I am taking the journey to my gray locks. Very excited about that. No more coloring. Don't need that in my life right now. So I'm excited. Thanks for watching, you guys. We'll see you soon. Bye. So here it is, guys. This, my friends, is the sweet potato stew. I put a lot of greens in it because I like greens, but there are sweet potatoes in it as well, as you can see, and lentils. It's very, very tasty. The seasonings that I used in them really are good, and I'm not really a big fan, to be honest, of Indian cuisine, but it's really tasty. I made myself a bowl, and put it on top of some of the rice that I made. It's really, really tasty. So, bon appetit. I will add the recipe as well when this is uploaded so that you can try it and see if you like it. All right, have a great Monday. Bye.